Granada Luxury Beach operates on a true ultra all-inclusive basis, with all meals, drinks, and most facilities included in the nightly rate. Guests have full access to the main international buffet, multiple on-site bars, a beachside snack venue, and a late-night patisserie, all without additional charges. Local alcoholic drinks, cocktails, and soft beverages are available throughout the day, with some imported brands offered at a surcharge. Poolside drinks and beachfront refreshments are part of the standard service, enhancing the overall experience without hidden costs. The kids' club, water park, and nightly entertainment are also included, alongside use of the indoor and outdoor pools, fitness center, and sauna. You won't have to pay extra for sunbeds, umbrellas, or standard recreational activities like table tennis and games. Optional spa treatments and a la carte dining come with a fee, which I'll discuss in more detail soon, but the base package already covers more than most resorts in the region. Granada Luxury Beach sits directly on the coast in Avsallar, a quieter seaside area just outside Alanya that's known for its soft sand beaches and more relaxed atmosphere. The resort is positioned right on the main strip, so guests have easy access to nearby shops, cafes, and rental services. While it's about a 2-hour drive from Antalya Airport, the distance rewards you with a more peaceful setting and a noticeably less crowded beachfront than in Lara or Side. If that's too far for you, then check out my playlist linked below with alternative places to stay in Turkey that are closer to the airport. Within walking distance, you'll find several independent restaurants, tour agencies, and even a diving school, all within a few hundred meters. For families, the location also offers access to nearby attractions like Water Planet Aquapark and Insecum Nature Park, both under 15 minutes away by car. While it's not central to Alanya's nightlife or Old Town, it's an ideal base for those who want to relax near the sea with everything they need within reach. The most affordable room at Granada Luxury Beach is the Double Land View, priced at approximately €169 per night for 2 adults on an all-inclusive basis. With 3 beds and a straightforward layout, it's a practical choice for couples or parents traveling with a young child, offering value without sacrificing access to the resort's premium facilities. However, it's important to note that this room type does not include Wi-Fi. For families needing both space and scenery, the Double Sea View is your best option. This layout sleeps up to 3 guests comfortably across 3 separate beds, making it perfect for parents traveling with a child or teenager. It typically costs €211 per night on an all-inclusive plan, and adds the bonus of panoramic views over the Mediterranean. If you're looking for a more romantic setup without compromising comfort, the Double Love Sea View offers a double bed in a quieter corner of the resort. Designed for couples who value privacy and ambiance, it's available from €216 per night, with the same access to all resort facilities included. Use the link below to secure your room at the best price currently available, or keep watching for more details. The outdoor pool is large and lively, but there's also a quieter indoor pool that comes in handy during midday heat or off-season stays. The beachfront is compact but well-maintained, with loungers included and a breezy pier bar that gives parents a break while kids play safely nearby. Families get real value from the extras. Valet parking is free, there's a playground close to the beach, and daily activities keep children engaged without the need to leave the property. The gym is fully included, but some spa treatments come at an extra cost. A classic Turkish hammam starts from €35, with full-body massages running between €50 and €70 depending on the package. For longer stays, laundry service and an on-site convenience shop help streamline the experience, especially useful if you're packing light or traveling with children. Entertainment here is paced to suit both laid-back stays and high-energy family trips. The nightly shows are a standout, often rotating between themed dance acts, acrobatics, and cultural performances, with recent lineups including African drumming groups and Chinese acrobats that drew full crowds. These shows are staged in a proper outdoor amphitheater, not a corner of the lobby, which helps give them a more polished, immersive feel. For kids, the supervised mini club runs daily with organized games and arts activities. Teenagers tend to gravitate toward the arcade room and beach volleyball sessions, while adults can join poolside contests, dance classes, or retreat to the beachside bar, where live music often kicks off at sunset. What sets the entertainment apart here isn't just variety, it's how well it's scheduled. You won't have to choose between a good dinner and a good show. Everything is timed with the guest experience in mind. The main buffet restaurant covers all the essentials across breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with consistent rotation and plenty of Turkish specialties alongside international comfort food. Vegan, vegetarian, and halal options are clearly labeled, which helps a lot if you're navigating dietary needs. Between meals, the snack stations around the pool serve things like gözlem, burgers, and fresh fruit, and there's also a late-night soup and pastry service. Drinks from the 5 bars include imported spirits and fresh cocktails, all part of the ultra all-inclusive deal. If you're visiting in peak summer, expect a lively atmosphere. The pools, beach, and dining areas stay buzzing throughout July and August. For those who prefer a calmer experience, shoulder seasons like May or late September still offer warm weather, with fewer crowds and more room to relax. Just be aware that some outdoor features, such as the nightclub or water slides, may run on reduced hours or shut entirely in cooler months. The resort primarily caters to Turkish, Russian, and German-speaking guests, but key staff at reception and guest services do speak English, and you'll generally find what you need with a little patience. The beach area is compact but beautifully maintained, and the option to book a private pavilion adds a touch of comfort if you want guaranteed space by the water. Granada Luxury Beach stands out for delivering a higher-end, ultra all-inclusive experience at a price point that often undercuts comparable resorts along the Alanya coast. While many properties in this category cut corners on food quality or entertainment, here you're getting genuinely satisfying buffet meals, nightly live shows, and a full-service spa with transparent pricing, all without the inflated rates typical of Belek or Lara Beach. The compact beachfront layout also means less time walking and more time enjoying, especially for families or older guests. And despite being newer to the scene, the property consistently maintains strong guest satisfaction ratings, suggesting service levels are holding up well over time. For travelers who want resort-style luxury, entertainment, and convenience without paying a premium for the name, this hotel delivers one of the better value-to-experience ratios in the region. This resort is a great fit for travelers who want resort-style luxury in a walkable, low-stress environment. It's especially well-suited to guests who prefer structure and convenience, the kind of traveler who appreciates scheduled entertainment and multiple dining options on site. Older couples or multi-generational groups will find the property easy to navigate and less chaotic than larger mega resorts. With its private beach, spa access, and late-night lounges, it caters well to guests seeking a self-contained, all-day experience. Book your stay at the best price using the link below.